Now let's use an example of FOB because FOB presents a real problem. We must define FOB by destination or by shipment points. Consider we as sellers are in Vancouver, Washington, and we say FOB Tacoma. It doesn't matter where the buyer is. Is this a shipment or a destination contract? A destination because as the seller puts the goods into the hands of the carrier and the carrier arrives in Tacoma at a specified location, the buyer then picks up the risk. In other words, it's the seller's risk of loss because the seller's in Vancouver prior to the goods reaching Tacoma, destination contract. Consider the contract if it were to say FOB Vancouver. In this case, it would be a shipment contract as the seller is in Vancouver. So when the seller drops off the goods in the carrier's hands in Vancouver, it is now the buyer's risk of loss from that point forward. And even though it's FOB in both cases, the point of destination or the point of shipment is the issue that makes the contract. So when you get a question such as this on your quiz, you want to draw all the stick figures, buyer and seller. Where is the buyer? Where is the seller? And then based upon the facts in that quiz question, draw the line. Where is that line drawn? Is it drawn on the side of the carrier to the left? Is it drawn on the side of the carrier to the right? If it's drawn on the left, it is what? If the seller is on the left, it's a shipment contract. And the seller is not liable once the goods get to the carrier. If the line is drawn on the right of the carrier with the buyer's side, it is a destination contract, and the seller is liable for the losses until the goods get to that destination. And please email me if you have